Hi dancers, I'm Lea, a professional ballet dancer graduated at Ballet Theater Basel. If you love to dance, subscribe to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a classic chignon, but for those with fringe. Because I know that sometimes having a fringe is a little bit tricky, and as well we want to choose our personal style without having to give up on a neat chignon. Let's start with the steps. We collect the hair, including the fringe, in a very high and tight ponytail. We can use water to make it easier. I recommend using gel or hairspray only if the hairstyle is for an important occasion, or just the hairspray if the fringe is very short. We add the clothespins to keep the fringe firmly in place. Careful to put the clothespins near the hair elastic. Like this, we will hide them with our band. Next step, we roll the hair into a bun and start flattening. We put 2 nets and shape until the chignon is perfectly round and flat. Then we insert the hairpins and as a last step, we decorate as we like. My suggestion is to call a friend and ask her to join you doing this perfect neat chignon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!